The shift group really I felt it gave me the courage to take that step. And then also being on the group as we were starting it, I know I would be speaking about it and Carmine would share and it was just such a relief. It was just such a relief to get. I'm very thankful for the shift program helping me.
I think, my goals were to get my billing overhauled. I was trying to get the new contracts in place, get the new rates, try to get the our backup contracts, try to get the our new rates in general out to the client so that everyone kind of knew that was happening. I feel in a good place. But we also got our PPP round 2 weeks ago, so that's helping.
Yeah.
I think what the pandemic shift program did for me was to keep me on point in regards to as a chamber leader and what we needed to do for our chamber members and partners. I got the support I needed from the program to stay focused. The people that were on that program of things that had to be done and changed. So from a leadership perspective, I was able to create some new things in our chamber, do things a little bit differently, and be more supportive to our membership.
What pandemic shift has done for me has made me refocus, fine-tune my business. I have to now work with 2 or 3 other coaches to share the leads that I am getting.
Wow.
I received an award for Discover Long Island for the $5,000 for Black business just recently. I received the diversity and inclusion in March. Really excited about that. And then this morning I opened the mail and Long Island Board of Realtors would like me to speak for them and get involved in teaching there.